Hi all! So a lot of you have trouble getting the perfect rice, but it is actually super easy. So you have to get the water bubbling, and then what you want to do is you want to be stirring it, and then you want to put the rice in, doesn't matter how much. Basmati rice, give it another stir, and just give it a stir, and then wait for the water to bubble again. The water is almost bubbling, but you want it to be full on bubbling. Okay. Okay, that'll do. So then what we do, we turn it right down to simmer, put the lid on, 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is almost up. There we go. So now we turn it off there, remove the lid. As you can see, the rice is sort of up there. So then what we do is we get that, drain it. So that's all the water strained. And now we put the lid back on, 10 more minutes. So 10 minutes has gone, so the last 10 minutes there's been no heat on it. All that the rice has been doing is steaming itself and just cooking, finishing off. So we take that out, as you can see the steam, and then if we just fluff it all up, there we go. That, guys, is perfectly cooked rice.